So here we have the test door. This is what a regular lock looks like with the screw that will go in here, of course. As you can see, they look very similar, although the WELOCK one is a bit smaller, so we will have to adjust this knob probably just a bit. But first of all, we of course need to remove this knob all the way. So this one will have to come out. So this needs to be aligned just like that. Now we can insert it from the front. Wiggle it a bit and there we go. Then we will need this screw. Insert the screw, wiggle it around just a bit until the screw will snap in place. And then to fix the lock in place, there we go. Now it is locked. So this side is perfect. That's the clearance. Now let's do the inner side. Here is the knob, here is the screw, and the holes or the notches are on the down low. So screw needs to face down as well. And just like on the other side, I don't want this to rub against the door. Just a bit of clearance is perfect. Not too much, yeah, just a bit. Now this side is done too. That's the clearance. It's pretty much perfect. And of course this side is always active. You can lock and unlock the door. And this side is of course disconnected. So press it once, then it's ready for the print. And now it can lock and unlock the door. That's how simple it is. And there we go. It's super simple and I love door locks like these. These are so convenient, so easy to use and so handy. I hate keys. This is perfect. Once again, super fast and it just works. So it's now locked. And of course you can also use the key card. Oh, that was the wrong one. It's actually this one. And there we go. Simple as that. Perfect. So this concludes my review. As I said, the build quality is stunning. Every surface is literally perfect. The setup is simple and easy. It's still super well adjustable. You can adjust this a lot. It is intuitive, the setup was easy, there is an app and there are also many functionalities, so yeah, for this price you can't go wrong. All of that while still being budget friendly. Amazing. The mechanics are solid, it works really fast and all in all is super versatile, so yeah, I can highly recommend it. I also love this little box that you get for the tools, this is so cool.